I've been dreading this day for like 2 weeks.
Multiple cameras on Mao right now.
I have not fallen sick. I haven't puked. I am struggling.
Everyone knows exactly. Evie, तिला shoot करू दे. Look at her what she's doing. तिला हात पकड़ दियो.
मैं तेरा ही कैमरा जाएगा मेरे को क्या
जोरात घासू नका कुत्र्याला प्लीज.
चलो मामाशनू, माझी बाबुनी.
Hi you guys, welcome to another episode of More Mao. This is me in my natural habitat. You'll find me like this at home. I've just washed my hair. There's no makeup, but I just forgot that I have not done the intro of this video, like this vlog. So this vlog is going to be about the most chaotic week of August. Like it was so hectic but yet so fulfilling. Like I love for such weeks. Like I get anxiety before that, but when it's done, it just feels so fulfilling. Also, if you're new here, hi, my name is Manasi and this is my second channel called More Mao, where I make weekly vlogs. So if you have not followed it, hit that subscribe button and let's go and watch the most chaotic week of this month. I look so weird because मैंने सिर्फ बेस किया हुआ है. I have not done my brows, my lips are pale, but I am running so late. I'll talk to you in the car. So the YouTube panel is done. I've changed my top, switching my jewelry, and we are all set for long-com event. But हमें बहुत भूख लग रही है, so YouTube team very kindly they have prepared lunch for us. So we are gonna go have something, and then यहाँ से I think 7 8 minutes we'll be in long-com वाला venue. So let's go.
One eternity later.
We have made it to the event. Event 2, we have Haley here. Maddie has already reached. Alfia and Mavish are parking the car, so they will also join us. But yeah, event 2 and then event 3, then we'll be done. I've been dreading this day for like 2 weeks because I'm like shit. Because long-com was supposed to happen on 19th. Yeah, same. But then the rains की वजह से they changed.
To leave so much earlier.
Yeah, and YouTube was already final. So I was like, अभी तीसरा भी add हो गया बारिश की वजह से. But yeah. It was good. YouTube
Today
was
Barish really messed with both of us because we live close by and 25-ish kilometers have taken us 3 hours plus, 3.5 hours.
I left at 10. I reached at 12. 2.
Bro, I left
12,
at 8. I reached at 11:20.
Crazy. But yeah, nonetheless,
Now,
the
now
event
it's
was
done.
Now it's
it
done.
was great.
Yeah, it's in the
We had
past.
good food.
क्या हुआ? निकाल
क्या?
कुछ नहीं. पीने का ट्राई करने को फोन किया.
So basically, इसमें there's a message for her zodiac and she's just sprayed with perfume. बाद में दिखाती हूँ आपको. Multiple cameras on Mao right now. Periods. Clarification.
We are almost done.
Yeah, we are done. Second event done. Now we are going to
Not sure. To
No.
buy an outfit for
Yeah,
me.
for her, because
they didn't tell me that they're bringing another
अरे
outfit.
bro, but it was
was good,
given.
it's good, but-
हाँ तो but pink कैसे पहन के जाएंगे ना रात को वैसे भी. So and बस उनका पूरा event invite was
Yeah,
black.
that is true.
So we were like
I
maybe
should
black
have
ही
known
होगा.
better.
So Maddie का outfit नहीं है तो we will sort that. Mavish और Alfia are in another car. We both are gonna go in another car. Yeah.
Hopefully not rip her eye out this time.
This
Bruh.
Insert footage.
yeah, I will now. मुझे यहाँ जाना है. It's fine. लगा?
से भी जा सकते हैं, जा सकते हैं।
It's fine.
2 out of 3 events are done. Now the third one. I was dreading this day. So far, so good. I have not fallen sick. I haven't puked.
Nothing's gonna happen.
Nothing's gonna happen. I'm gonna eat अच्छे से. Let's go. मुझे लगा अभी ये खुलेगा और अब इसमें से कुछ निकलेगा.
Two days later.
Hi you guys, it's a Sunday, it's a working Sunday by the way. And if you are thinking कि इतना makeup क्यों किया है माऊ? Look at my hair, I did it myself. Ami, if you are watching this, you should be proud. I did this bun in ऐसा छोटा बालों में फिर भी. But yeah, it looks very pretty. Right now it's looking very weird because मैंने lips नहीं किया हुआ है, मैंने earrings नहीं पहना है. But it's a Ganpati shoot if you haven't already guessed it. Now, if you know that Ganpati and Navratri are my most favorite festivals of the year. And last year, I think 2 years ago, we made like a very high production Ganpati shoot, like Ganpati reel. This is how it looks like. मैं थोड़ा सा ही दिखाऊंगी because if you are new here, I wanted to go and watch it and also watch the behind the scenes which are uploaded on More Mau itself. It's a vlog. But this year I wanted to do something not on the same lines because same हो जाएगा and history is only created once. But I wanted to do something that I'm feeling genuinely, which is because I'm newly married. It's our first Ganpati. Sahil is gonna visit my natives for the first time. I've already visited his. उसका भी मैंने shorts बनाए हुए हैं. You can go watch it. Evie is knocking. She has learned how to knock. Anyways, so yeah, it's a very cute feeling. It gives me butterflies. We are gonna get ready in my natives and whatnot. So the same sari that I'm gonna wear in my natives, I'm gonna wear it today. It's a red sari, and we're gonna create like a faux Ganpati setup. And yeah, it's gonna be very cutesy. Let's go.
A few minutes later.
I am struggling. Like, my videographer will arrive any minute. And I don't know how to wear a sari. My mom was supposed to come, but unko kuch kaam aa gaya, so she's not able to come and help. But the sari is so beautiful. I love how I've done my blouse, but I think I need to YouTube it. Let's do that.
One eternity later.
Okay, I guess I have figured it out. ठीक तो लग ही रहा है. पल्लू और ज्वेलरी आने के बाद सब ठीक ही लगेगा. और अभी इसको अंदर डालना है. Okay, not bad. ठीक है, शूट के लिए चल जाएगा. ये मोदक चोर बन रही है. She was almost about to eat the modak. बेचारा रो रहा होगा हमारा.
उसका सीजन ऑफ चल रहा है. सीजन तो ये सब आएंगे.
सभी आते सिर्फ Jan to March है सब लोग जिम में. उसके बाद सब लोग बैक टू. People think I take more time. I don't. ये मेकअप दादा अभी मैं ही नहीं उनका. Everyone knows exactly. Everyone knows.
कि तो 2 घंटा लगाएगी, मैं लास्ट में 15 मिनट लगाऊंगा.
सजला तक से चालू. We can start from here. All the shots, whatever. चनिया चोली घालची छोड्या वेळाने. Okay, मामाश? कुछ मत करो.
नहीं ऐसे थोड़ा स्मोक से थोड़ा स्माइल.
Then look up and smile. Okay, you do that. Okay? Because if you keep looking, so you don't know what to do. Something थोड़ा बाल ठीक कर.
तो पीटी का एक्सरसाइज नहीं करना वाला.
पीछे पीछे कान के आगे कुछ कर. हाँ, like this. हाँ, okay. Now you look slowly. Smile like normal smile. Okay, वैसा वाला. कर यार. Okay, ready?
नहीं, अपन ने शूट कर लिया बट ऐसा नहीं किया है कभी.
But we are doing something different, no, this time. But ऐसे तुम और हो जाना पड़ेगा ना हमको. हाँ. ये तिला शूट करू दे. Look at her what she's doing. वो हाथ पकड़ रही हो. नहीं, फोरहेड फिर वो लेवल नहीं हो पाएगा.
मैं ऊपर जा सकता
नको करो ना प्लीज. एक ना आ जाओ.
ईवी ने कब्जा कर लिया उससे.
ऐसी करती है वो नया इंसान उसको पकड़ के रखती है एंड पूरा उसको वश में कर लेती है. जब who's मम्मी who's पापा nobody. Come here Mamesh. Sit. Yes, good job. Evo come. So वरती उघडं नसतं राहायचं इकडे ये. गरम हो रहा है क्या?
तुझका
ये साइड से आ जाओ चाहिए तो. सुन ना तू ना ऐसे ये थोड़ा सा साइड में करके
ऐसा करूँ विंडो पर ही सर मैं ठीक करता हूँ इसे. बेल लगा रहा हूँ.
आप थोड़ा सा आपको फेस पीछे लेना पड़ेगा.
You have to sit थोड़ा.
हाँ मैं
Come closer also.
कितना
नहीं इतना ठीक है.
So aesthetically only.
तुझा तो तू
नहीं
कशी पण
ठीक
बसते.
है पर वो जो मैंने
वदनी कवडा घेतला ना मग
हरिओम.
वैसे कहते हैं
हाँ अभी कभी खाऊं और मैं खा लूं भाई. अभी साहिल के सोलो शॉट्स. मैं तनय और साक्षी तीनों को बस मोदक खाना है. हाँ ईवी को भी.
आंटी शूट बचा है अभी भी.
मोदक फर्स्ट गाइस कम ऑन.
4 करना. 4 लोग हैं अपन. गरम किया.
मैंने खा लिया अभी तेरा है.
मोदक टेस्ट है.
मोदक मैंने नहीं बनाया. But I can make nice ones. But today I haven't. नहीं मिला टाइम. What's the time, guys? 2:30. We began sharp at I think 12:10, right? 12:15 तक तो चालू हो गया था शूट. 12:30. So 12:30 to 2:30. It's been 2 hours and we are almost done. अभी थोड़े getting ready वाले shots में I'm already ready, but वो बचा है. And then I think we are done. Then we'll eat and call it a day. But are you having fun, Sahil Rathod?
यस मैं मॉडल जो ऐसे अलग अलग स्माइल करना पड़ रहा है मुझे.
I'm trying to not keep it creepy.
I'm
How
not
many
creepy.
times have I said creepy today, guys?
But how
1500
many times have I
times.
given creepy shots?
No, you haven't. I have.
You are a creep.
और हम लोग भी मोदक खा के मोदक बन गए हैं. मैंने 2 ऑलरेडी खा लिए. तने तूने 2 खा लिए. साक्षी इज 1 डाउन. साहिल इज 1 डाउन. 11 लाए थे हमने तो अभी बहुत बचे हैं. सो अभी शूट के बाद हम वापस खाएंगे. बट लेट्स कंटिन्यू द शूट. It's all over my wedding again. Doing all these jewelry shots for each function. Like nice brown. Should we put more light in my eye?
सही यार.
अभी साहिल का creepy. अभी साहिल के लिए भी बजाना हूँ. It's only fair for.
मैं हुई नहीं. तू ही है creep.
भैया.
सिर्फ आपका ले रहे.
Me and creep.
Yes.
Don't look in the light, otherwise you'll go blind. I'm a professional. I'm a model.
Professional.
बाप रे, creepy AF.
A few moments later.
सैयारा तू. चल बिल्ली का तो मानिए.
3, 2, 1,
Yeah.
action.
पकड़ो ना.
छाती बार. Very nice. छाती बार. एकदम nice. Side look. Side profile.
साहिल भाई
साल भाई घड़ियाल देखो बटन ठीक करो यस नाइस सवा 3 बजे वी हैव पैक्ड अप वू अभी हम खाना खाएंगे लेट्स गो
The next day.
Hey guys, I'm just back from the office. I was in the office and then I had a meeting in Khar, so I had gone there and I'm just back and look what my view is.
गणपति आ रहे कल इसलिए बज रहा है बाहर और इसलिए हम ईवी को भी नहलाने वाले हैं आज।
What is the plan?
The plan
Evie को
is
नहलाना है?
Yes, because Evie is smelling bad and she's not smelling bad, my dog.
She's not smelling bad. She just needs a
She needs
bath.
No, it's not like
Pamper
it's like
session.
गणपति आ रहा है so
हाँ.
like she should also feel fresh जैसे हम लोग ऐसे घर ठीक करते हैं हम खुद पे से एकदम शेव वेव करेंगे we'll get ready so I feel like she deserves it so
Yeah.
वो खुद तो नहीं कर सकती
But it's gonna be a task.
yeah for me
I am also gonna vlog, no? So.
वो करना चाहिए ना I'll need a mug इसमें मेरे को concoction बनाना है शैम्पू का
Okay, first let me interview. Evie, are you excited for your bathing? Are you excited?
For your
Yes.
bathing, it's for your bath.
For your bath, Evie. Yes, she is. Tail wag कर रही थी. She's waiting for you to start the shower. तेरा ही कैमरा जाएगा. मेरे को क्या है? मैं तो ना लूँगा फिर से.
देना मग ला के देना बहुत टाइम वेस्ट कर रहा है
Beaker लगे.
Why are boys so slow? Do फट be on your feet, go.
Why should girls have all the fun?
We can't. We don't have fun at all. Don't put the water on our nose and the ears. So ऐसे पकड़ के muzzle.
Nose and ears. Eyes.
Eyes तो is fine. They are okay with that.
क्या शांति से बैठी है. Good job. उसको बाद में ट्रीट्स देंगे. शार के.
Already देख के ही लेके आई हूँ अंदर से ब्रशिंग के बाद से.
नहीं obedient है. No.
ले
Good job. ये वार्म वाटर है, लूक वार्म.
एकदम lukewarm. ठंडी से उसको ठंडी ऐसे से काटना लगती है.
Yeah.
जनरली ठंडा पानी ही वापरते हैं बट हिंदी बचपन से उसको मेरे जैसे गर्म पानी लगता है.
बस.
Bad job. Very good. Good job, mama.
Evie, चूहा जिससे तो चूहा.
So I use this shampoo from BioGroom. It's the Super White Coat Brightener shampoo. So Evie का कोट एक्चुअली लाइट ब्राउन है और कभी कभी वो मेल होने के बाद ऐसा डार्क ब्राउन हो जाता है. एंड इसको हमेशा ऐसे कंकॉक्शन बना के
She was smelling it.
She knows it's a shampoo. बचपन से ये यूज करते हैं उस पे.
क्या गोडू बाबू है.
ये वो शैम्पू क्या बोलते हैं सैलून में ऐसा गुडू बाबू जैसा नहीं बिहेव करती.
तू नहीं होती है ना आजू बाजू इसीलिए.
जनरली आई डू इट विद माई हैंड बट ये मैं यूएस से लेके आई हूँ. आई थिंक अमेज़न पे भी मिलेगा आपको इधर ऐसे ना अच्छे से एकदम कोम टाइप है तो उसको ऐसे एक्यूप्रेशर भी होगा. आई थिंक शी इज लाइकिंग इट. जोरत घासू नका कुत्र्याला प्लीज डू इट जेंटली. सी इसे समा रही है वो अभी.
तिला पण मसाज आवडतो.
नीचे जा रही है.
Evie,
They're liking it, mamas. शैम्पू नाही खायचा. शॅम्पू खाल्ला तू. You eat shampoo? असं करतात.
ये मसाज एंजॉय करते हुए सर स्पा इवनिंग ईवी का. One eternity later. हाय करते हैं. She wants to get dry eye.
No, she gets like dogs get zoomies after. She has too much energy. What do you want?
So the spa session is done and now someone is waiting for her treats and she's getting aggressive कि मम्मा दे दो treats मेरे को. I was a good girl. Good job Evie. Good job ना. बाप रे Evie खाऊन जाना दे.
Sit, Evie. No.
She has worked hard for it.
Stay.
She's like I deserve it.
Stay. Stay. Okay.
Good job.
अभी उसका पॉ ट्रिमिंग थोड़ा हाइजीन क्लीन और थोड़े आँख के यहाँ पे बाल आए वो मैं कल करूँगी. मेरे अभी स्टैमिना नहीं है.
अरे तो रेस्ट कर.
या अभी आई हैव टू एक्चुअली टेक अ बाथ माई सेल्फ. मेरे बाल में ऑयल है सो आई डू इट टमोरो. एंड शी इज ऑल्सो थोड़ा एजिटेटेड राइट नाउ सो आई जनरली डू इट द नेक्स्ट डे ओनली.
शेम्बुड़ी जैसी शक्ल क्या बना रही है?
शेमबोर्ड ओ शेमबोर्ड. चलो मामाशनू माझी बाबूनी. माझे बाबू आहे ना. तू माझे बाबू आहे ना. Alright, you guys, so that is it for today's video. I hope you liked it. If you did, don't forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up. Comment on what other videos you want me to do. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And next vlog is going to be a Ganpati vlog, which is so like loved on my channel. So I am from Ratnagiri. आणि कोकणाचा गणपती वेगळाच असतो. So माझ्या घरी गणपती आणि गौरी दोन्ही येतात. And this time I am married, so I'm taking my husband along. It's his first time, so we are gonna explore my gaon and I'm gonna tell him everywhere that I used to be as a kid. So it's gonna be fun. I am gonna go pack now and all of that is gonna be shown in the next vlog. So stay tuned. Till then, stay positive and stay happy. Bye.
Chop on a nigga, turn him to a sprinter.